Hey guys, I got a question of how I did my last video with the headlight of the cars, and I thought I might do a quick tutorial on that one, since it's a really simple one-step, two-step guide to do that. So let's dive in. Here I have prepared the clip, we have the sound, we have the clips. The clips were filmed handheld, so they're really shaky, and yeah, some of them are not in the right direction, which is completely fine. We're going to turn it around and solve the problem. Okay, that is done, and now it's more or less aligned. The angle is okay as well, otherwise you just cut it to get until the point where you find it perfectly fine, perfectly matching with the first car or the second car. I would recommend to do the color grading and the speed ramping first. If you do that, I don't really like speed ramping, so I skip that part. And the magical plugin is called the Stabilizer of Pixel Film Studios, and it's really simple. You just go to the track editor, you select the part you want to track. I usually track the edge of the chassis, let it run, export the data, confirm it, and you close it. Then you're doing the same again for the second and the third clip. The more challenging part is to turn it on. You see the edge is not aligning, so you use this toggle here, the offset scale. You just put it, let's say, to 10. This one the same. Then you check it that it's aligning for the whole clip, and then you check that. Looks perfect to me. Don't forget that the tracker just tracks what it gets in that moment, so if you want to change or alter something in the clip, you have to do it before. This means speed ramping, masking, probably also color grading if you do it heavily. And don't forget to do that before. And the last thing you have to do in the editing is to use the plugin, but I guess that's something you'll learn really quickly by using that. And after said that, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a good one and enjoy editing your new videos with the Pixel Film Studios plugins, which I really love. And after we talked about the cons, I wish you a good one. I hope you enjoy this plugin like I do. Leave a like, leave a comment, guys. Much love and have fun while editing. Bye, guys.